It was a lousy start to the work week, no question about that. We had the rain and wind this morning, steady rainfall moved out, but temps were on the mild side. This is the scene from our Old Orchard Beach Skycam time lapse. My favorite part about this time lapse during the afternoon, there's actually one lonely walker on the beach right in here. There he goes, saying, I don't care how stormy it is, I'm going to get my afternoon walk in. And actually, the steady rainfall moved out during the afternoon, so I guess that was good news. And the temperatures warmed into the upper 50s and lower 60s. All right, now we're going to shift our attention from the mild conditions that will actually continue into the day tomorrow to our next storm that will be arriving on Wednesday. It's our pre-Thanksgiving nor'easter. Snow arrives around midday on Wednesday. I think our trickiest travel time will be Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, and into Wednesday night. During that period, many towns could get over a half a foot of snow. I think the snow ends early Thursday morning. We'll probably keep a lot of clouds, and there is the chance for a snow shower Thursday, but for the most part, the accumulating snow ends early. Again, over half a foot of snow is possible, and most of Thanksgiving will just feature a fair amount of clouds. Winter storm watch is going to affect Wednesday afternoon and extend through late Wednesday night. That's for the entire area. We have one storm system pulling away. As we widen things out, there's a little mischief starting to get going down through the Gulf states, down through the southeastern part of the United States. That is our storm system that will be riding north along that stalled front. So here's how it plays out. The track will determine exactly how much snow we get, if we see any wintry mix and rain, and when it moves out, of course. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon with a track like this run off the GFS model. We would stay primarily snow out of this one, and we would see over half a foot of snow for some areas. The farther inland you go, especially back through the mountains, you would see lighter amounts, and the reason for that, you're just farther away from the storm. And the storm system's actually a fairly quick mover. It should be gone by early Thursday morning. That's our early thought on how it plays out anyway. A closer inspection on Storm Tracker. This is run off of a different model. We run this in-house on a 6-kilometer grid called Microcast. So we're going to start this off around noontime tomorrow. Again, no problems on Tuesday. If you're traveling Tuesday, we're in pretty good shape. We'll see sunshine, temps will be in the 50s for highs. It's tomorrow night into Wednesday, we'll start to see increasing clouds, and believe it or not, if you're traveling early Wednesday, I think we're in pretty good shape as well. Starting around noontime, 1 o'clock or so, we'll start to see the snow move in. Notice that rain-snow line that's situated just offshore. We may briefly start with a period of rain, but if we do that, we're going to change over to snow pretty quickly as colder air starts to work into the region. And notice how the temperatures are above freezing. It may snow for a few hours and not accumulate, but by afternoon and into the evening, it most certainly will be accumulating. In fact, it will really start to pile up through the overnight. This is 8 o'clock on Wednesday. Notice a steady snowfall for a large portion of the area. So travel Wednesday evening and Wednesday night, not recommended. Try to get to those destinations early Wednesday, or travel on Thursday may actually be decent as well. We'll just have a lot of clouds around. That's 7 o'clock in the morning on Thanksgiving morning. We're seeing any leftover steady snow move out, and there may be a brief snow shower or something like that, but I do not anticipate any accumulating snow for the most part on Thursday. All right, snowfall accumulations. This is an early stab at numbers here. I think a large portion of the area will be in a 4 to 8 inch range here. I left the window open for an up to 10 here because there's still some forecast model discrepancies. So a large portion, probably about 5, 6, 7, 8 inches of snow, somewhere in there, and again, most of that gone by early Thursday. Stay tuned, though, because we're still a long ways away from the main event in the storm system. We'll have more updates coming up tonight, and Craig will have more updates tomorrow morning as well. So tomorrow looks decent, 50s for highs, stays mild for one more day. That 40 will be reached early in the morning on Wednesday. Temps will be falling throughout the afternoon as snow develops. Snow continues Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We have some flakes in there Thursday, but it looks like the steady snow ends early in the day. There might be a brief snow shower throughout the day, but a large portion of Thanksgiving looks okay. Friday, it's going to be cool as well with some sun returning. And a large portion of the weekend will feature mostly cloudy skies, and there may even be a shower possible on Sunday as some warmer air tries to punch back into the region. But yeah, it's warm at least in the near term. It's colder in the extended range, and in between there we have a snowstorm. So that's our latest thoughts on how things are going to play out. Again, more updates tonight on Fox 23 at 10 and CBS 13 at 11. Craig Miller will have more updates tomorrow morning as well. We'll see you then. Have a nice night.